Hello guys, today we meet together to discuss kidney pathology. You remember that kidneys are involved many pathophysiological problems in the body, considering cardiovascular diseases. And I will remind you about hypovolemic shock, which is in our focus because this type of shock is followed by kidney insufficiency, acute kidney injury. Here you see on this slide, you see the kidneys. This is pair organ, so two kidneys are normally physiologically in the body, so they are fixed on aorta through renal arteries. So you see the renal artery part. And the structure of the kidney consists of nephrons, and you understand that the nephrons, they are not restored throughout the life. So during the life period we just lose nephron and there is no nephrogenesis, so no new nephron process, no nephron repair process exists. So the baby is born with 1.5 million of nephrons, and through the life we just lose the nephrons and the nephrogenesis is absent. So this is the structure of nephron, which is the functional part of kidneys. So there are three major physiological processes in the kidneys: the filtration, the reabsorption, and secretion. So filtration is kept in glomerulus. These are glomerulus part consisting of capillaries and the capsule, and this part is tubules part. So proximal, distal tubules, Henle loop, thin and thick part, and collective ducts. So through these nephron, almost 180 liters blood is filtered per day. You see the basement membrane diseases and the podocyte food processes diseases. This part of nephron, glomerulus, can suffer from the problems of collagen structure, collagen 4 problems. It's Alport disease, it's inherited disease, followed by connective tissue problems, and it is followed by proteinuria. Also, the basement membrane can include the pathology of laminin pathology. It's a kind of Pearson syndrome. And fibronectin pathology, it's glomerulopathy with fibronectin deposits too. So these are the diseases which can be present in basement membrane pathology. This part of nephron, and this is followed by glomerular proteinuria. Also, podocytes food processes, or slit diaphragm processes, they can be connected with nephrin. This is peptide, which makes the slit membrane, podocin, and CD2AP. So these three pathology underlies steroid resistance nephrotic syndrome. So this is the pathology of tubules, also inherited. Proximal tubules is associated with pathology called Fanconi syndrome. You remember amino acid urea, glucoseuria, because of Fanconi syndrome. Also, Fanconi syndrome is followed by anemia. Also, renal tubular acidosis is a part of proximal tubules problem, and cystinuria, which underlies the stone disease development in kidney pathology. Henle loop, thick ascending limb of Henle loop. This is Bartter syndrome, also is followed by tubular proteinuria. And the distal part can be impaired in Gitelman syndrome.